Welcome to the wild. I'm Ten Curious, and today we journey into nature's breathtaking heart. From misty rainforests alive with birdsong to sunlit savannas where herds thunder across golden grass, the world dazzles us with beauty and wonder. From hummingbirds in flight and tigers stalking through bamboo, to ancient forests shrouded in mist, and icy mountain peaks where eagles soar above the clouds. Yet beneath this serenity, danger lurks in every shadow. A green snake coils silently on a branch, a crocodile's eyes break the water's surface, and a jaguar prowls through tall grass, reminders that beauty and peril walk hand in hand. Nature's most stunning creatures are also some of its deadliest, armed with powerful defenses and survival tools honed by evolution. From the golden poison frog to the silent stalk of a leopard, danger wears many faces. Even the smallest creatures, like the iridescent dart frog or the tiny mosquito, can wield astonishing power. Join me as we count down 10 of the world's most dangerous animals, not to inspire fear, but to deepen our respect for the wild's raw power. In the wild, every moment is a balance between beauty and survival. Let's begin our journey into nature's dual face, where awe and danger are never far apart. Our countdown starts with a tiny terror, the mosquito. Responsible for more human deaths than any other animal, mosquitoes are silent vectors for deadly diseases like malaria, dengue, and Zika. Only females bite, injecting pathogens with a single prick. Their adaptability and sheer numbers make them nearly impossible to control, turning stagnant water into breeding grounds worldwide. In sub-Saharan Africa alone, malaria transmitted by mosquitoes kills over 600,000 people each year, most of them children under 5. Mosquito-borne illnesses like yellow fever, West Nile virus, and chikungunya have spread to every continent except Antarctica. Yet simple tools like bed nets and insect repellents save millions of lives each year. Scientists are working on new solutions, from vaccines to genetically modified mosquitoes to fight these tiny killers. This minuscule insect is a reminder that the most dangerous threats are often the hardest to see. The mosquito's impact on human history is unmatched, a tiny creature with a deadly legacy. In the shimmering, sun-dappled waters of the Indo-Pacific, a nearly invisible predator drifts, the box jellyfish. Its ghostly form moves with the current, almost undetectable to the human eye. With a transparent, bell-shaped body and long trailing tentacles, it glides silently through coral reefs and shallow bays. Swimmers rarely notice it until it's far too late. Each tentacle is lined with thousands of nematocysts, tiny, venomous stingers that act like microscopic harpoons. In a fraction of a second, they can inject a powerful, paralyzing toxin evolved to instantly subdue fish and small prey. For humans, even a brief brush with these tentacles can cause excruciating pain, heart failure, or in rare cases, death. Survivors describe the agony as burning, relentless, and unforgettable. Unlike most jellyfish, the box jellyfish is an active hunter. It uses clusters of primitive eyes, 24 in all, to sense light and movement, tracking and ambushing prey with eerie precision. Its delicate beauty hides a lethal threat. In Australia, warning signs dot the beaches, and local lore tells of swimmers who never saw the danger coming. Respect and distance are the only safe response. The box jellyfish is living proof that in nature the most graceful can also be the most dangerous, a silent drifter whose sting has shaped both legend and science. Next, we meet the saltwater crocodile, an ancient survivor and the largest living reptile. This apex predator can grow over 6 meters long and weigh more than a ton. Saltwater crocodiles are masters of stealth, lurking beneath the surface in rivers, swamps, and coastal waters. With explosive force, they ambush prey at the water's edge, using their powerful tails to propel themselves forward in a sudden burst. Their jaws deliver a bone-crushing bite, and their signature death roll makes escape nearly impossible. These giants hunt fish, birds, and even large mammals, sometimes dragging prey underwater to drown it. Saltwater crocodiles thrive in both fresh and salt water, even venturing far out to sea and claiming vast territories. Males fiercely defend their domain, which can stretch for miles along rivers and coastlines. Intelligent and territorial, they remember intruders and adapt their hunting strategies over time. Some individuals have been known to live over 70 years, becoming legends in their regions. Throughout history, saltwater crocodiles have been both feared and revered. Stories of attacks and narrow escapes are common in local lore. Human encounters are rare but often fatal, cementing their fearsome reputation as one of the world's most dangerous animals. To see a saltwater crocodile in the wild is to glimpse a living relic of Earth's ancient past, an apex predator perfectly adapted to its environment. On Africa's vast savannas, the Cape buffalo moves in powerful herds. These herds are tightly knit, with members forming strong bonds and defending each other from danger. Weighing up to 900 kilograms, a single buffalo can charge at 55 kilometers per hour, goring and trampling with devastating force. Known for unpredictable aggression, even wounded buffaloes have been known to ambush hunters. Their herds defend each other fiercely, sometimes driving off even lions. When predators approach, buffalo form a protective wall around their calves, facing outward with horns ready. Lions often target the young or weak, but a united herd can turn the tables, sometimes rescuing a member from a lion's jaws. The Cape buffalo's size, power, and tenacity make it one of Africa's most dangerous animals. It's responsible for more fatalities than many predators, earning the nickname Black Death. Yet, buffalo play a vital role in the ecosystem. Grazing herds shape the landscape, opening up grasslands for other species. Their movements help spread seeds and fertilize the soil, supporting the savanna's rich biodiversity. In one remarkable event, a herd was filmed banding together to chase off a pride of lions and rescue a calf, showing the strength of unity in the wild. On the plains, vigilance is everything. Survival depends on the herd. In the vibrant coral reefs of the tropics, a beautiful but deadly creature lurks, the cone snail. Evolving over millions of years, these snails have become specialized hunters, blending perfectly into their colorful surroundings. Its patterned shell conceals a remarkable weapon, a harpoon-like tooth loaded with potent venom. The cone snail patiently stalks small fish, worms, or other snails, then fires its harpoon in a split second, striking with lightning speed. With a single sting, the cone snail injects a cocktail of toxins, some paralyzing, others deadly. Certain species produce conotoxins that can block nerve signals, instantly immobilizing prey, and in rare cases, proving fatal to humans. There is no anti-venom for most cone snail stings, making them especially dangerous. Human encounters are rare, but even handling a live snail can result in a sting that causes paralysis, respiratory failure, or even death. Admire their beauty, but never handle a live one. Sometimes the most stunning creatures are the most lethal. The cone snail's ancient lineage is a testament to nature's ingenuity, evolving deadly precision beneath a beautiful shell. The blue-ringed octopus is a master of disguise, blending seamlessly into coral reefs with its shifting colors and patterns. This tiny titan of toxicity can vanish in plain sight, hiding among rocks and shells, waiting for prey or evading predators. When threatened, its electric blue rings flash, a warning display as vivid as it is sudden. This signal is backed by venom 1,000 times more toxic than cyanide delivered through a painless bite. A single nip can cause paralysis and respiratory failure within minutes. There's no anti-venom. Survival depends on immediate artificial respiration and quick action from those nearby. Despite their lethality, blue-ringed octopuses are shy and rarely bite unless provoked or handled. Divers sometimes spot them tucked into crevices or gliding over sand, their camouflage so perfect they're almost invisible. Their life cycle is brief. Adults mate, lay eggs, and die soon after hatching, leaving the next generation to fend for itself. Found in tide pools and shallow waters across Australia and Southeast Asia, they're more widespread than many realize. Their vibrant warning is nature's way of saying, keep your distance. Even the smallest creatures can command respect. In the tide pools, danger often hides in plain sight. Sometimes it glows with blue rings. The blue-ringed octopus is a reminder that beauty and danger often go hand in hand beneath the waves. Always admire from a safe distance, nature's most extraordinary defenses are sometimes the hardest to see. If you're enjoying this wild countdown, support 10 Curious by liking the video and subscribing. You can also check the link in the description for a free 30-day trial of audiobooks on nature, survival, and wildlife. It's a great way to keep learning, totally free for the first month. The hippopotamus, Africa's river giant, spends most of its days submerged in water, surrounded by its herd. These massive mammals live in close-knit groups, called pods, often numbering up to 30 individuals. By day, they rest together in rivers and lakes, surfacing to breathe and socialize with grunts and bellows that echo across the water. At dusk, hippos leave the water to graze on land, sometimes traveling miles in search of fresh grass. Despite their bulk, up to 1,800 kilograms, they can outrun a human and are fiercely territorial, especially in the water. Their massive jaws and razor-sharp tusks can crush bone and capsize boats, making them one of Africa's most dangerous animals. Most attacks occur when people unknowingly come between a hippo and the water or threaten their young. Their unpredictable nature and powerful presence demand respect from all who share the river. Hippos play a vital role in their ecosystem, grazing on land at night and fertilizing the river with nutrients, supporting fish and plant life. Their deep grunts and wheezing honks are a language of the river, used to communicate with each other and warn rivals. Even crocodiles and other large animals give way to a pod of hippos, knowing their strength and unity. Never underestimate the power behind that placid appearance. Hippos are true rulers of Africa's rivers. The African lion, powerful, social, and iconic. These majestic cats rule the savanna as apex predators, their presence commanding respect and awe. Living in close-knit prides, lions rely on cooperation and strong social bonds. Each pride is led by related females, who work together to hunt, raise cubs, and defend their territory. Lionesses nurture and fiercely protect their cubs, teaching them vital survival skills through play and gentle discipline. Cubs are the heart of the pride, cared for by all the females. Males defend the pride from rivals and threats, their thunderous roars echoing across the plains. Teamwork and strategy make lions formidable hunters, able to bring down prey much larger than themselves. Their sharp claws, powerful jaws, and muscular build make them the ultimate predators, symbols of raw power and the wild beauty of Africa. Yet, life for lions is not without challenges. Cubs face high mortality from predators and starvation, and the pride must constantly defend its territory from intruders. Today, African lions are classified as vulnerable, with populations declining due to habitat loss and conflict with humans. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure their survival for generations to come. To witness a lion in its element is to see nature's strength and balance on full display, a living legend surveying the savanna. The pufferfish is both whimsical and deadly, a marvel of adaptation. When threatened, it inflates into a spiny ball, doubling its size to deter predators. But its real danger lies in its potent tetrodotoxin, a neurotoxin far more deadly than cyanide. Just a tiny amount can paralyze and kill, and there is no known antidote. This toxin is not just a defense, it's a warning to all who approach. In Japan, fugu chefs train for years to prepare pufferfish safely, yet accidents still happen. The pufferfish's toxicity is a powerful defense, deterring most predators and making it a symbol of caution in many cultures. Pufferfish are found in warm and temperate waters around the world, from coral reefs to brackish estuaries. Their diet includes algae, invertebrates, and sometimes even shellfish, which they crush with their strong beak-like teeth. Some species can even change color to blend into their surroundings, making them masters of disguise. For humans, the pufferfish is a stark warning. Curiosity can be fatal. Sometimes the most unassuming creatures are the most dangerous. Whether inflating, feeding, or drifting through vibrant habitats, the pufferfish is a true survivor, an icon of nature's ingenuity. Deep in the lush rainforests of Central and South America, poison dart frogs flaunt vivid colors as a warning. Their skin secretes powerful toxins. Just touching some species can be deadly. Indigenous hunters have long used these toxins on blowgun darts to paralyze prey. The frog's toxicity comes from their diet in the wild, mainly ants, termites, and mites rich in alkaloids. In captivity, without this diet, frogs lose their poison. During breeding season, males call out with trills and chirps to attract females. Females lay eggs on moist leaves, and parents often guard the eggs until they hatch. These tiny amphibians are living jewels and potent symbols of nature's ingenuity. Some species carry their tadpoles on their backs to water-filled bromeliads high in the trees, a remarkable adaptation for survival. Their beauty is a survival strategy, advertising danger to all. Sadly, habitat loss and climate change threaten many poison dart frog species. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these vibrant wonders of the rainforest. Even the smallest creatures can wield astonishing power. Our countdown ends with a reminder: nature's most dangerous animals are not villains, but vital parts of our world. Each one is a product of evolution, shaped by millions of years to survive and thrive. They play essential roles in their ecosystems, keeping nature in balance, sometimes in ways both beautiful and deadly. But as humans, our actions have a profound impact on these creatures and the wild places they call home. Conservation efforts around the globe strive to protect these animals, ensuring future generations can witness their power and grace. They command respect and caution, but also awe for their resilience and power. By respecting and protecting the wild, We honor the delicate balance that sustains all life on Earth, including our own. Let's be stewards of this planet, protecting its wonders, great and small, for generations to come. Which animal surprised you most? Let us know in the comments, and stay curious with 10 Curious. I'm 10 Curious, thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep exploring and respecting our incredible planet. The wonder of nature is always waiting to be discovered.